Welcome back to Crabtree Creations. Today I'm going to be doing a really large Dollar Tree haul for you. I went to several different Dollar Trees and I picked up a variety of different things, and you'll be seeing them in future DIYs, most of them in future DIYs that I'm going to be doing, and some of them just to decorate around my house. Dollar Tree has really been stepping it up in my opinion and really putting out some really cute decor. The first thing that I'm going to show you today is these cute little crosses. This one, they're both wooden. This one is gray, two-tone gray with some burlap ribbon with like a nail head in it. And then this one is white with gray around it, and it says Grace on it. So I picked up those two. The next thing I'm going to be showing you is a series of pictures that I've picked up, and I'm going to be changing some of them and manipulating some of them and doing different things with them. So I wanted to show you the pictures that I picked up. The first one is this beautiful watering can that says "Life is Beautiful." Got that one. And then this one, I really like this one. It's kind of like a aged wood, and it says "Happiness is homemade." This next one, it says "Thankful, Grateful, and Blessed," and it's kind of like a aged wood as well. And this one is really cute. It's plastic, and it says "Farm to Table." I thought that was really cute. And then this one says "Farm Fresh Dairy," and it's a milk crate with some flowers in it with a background of the aged wood as well. This one says "Farmer's Market, Farm Fresh Eggs," with a hen. This one says "But First Coffee," and it's got different colors of aged wood on it. We have some friends that are coming to stay with us this summer, and they drink coffee, and nobody in my family drinks coffee, so I'm putting together a low coffee bar, so I'll be showing that in the future DIY, so I thought this would be cute to put beside it. And then this one is a canvas, and it says "Our Nest." I thought that was really neat. This one is in the Mother's Day section, and it says "Faith, Family, and Friends." And it looks like wood, but it's plastic, and you can stand it up as well. And it's got this little clip where you can put a 4x6 picture. I thought that was really cute. This one says "Love is the best ingredient," and it's like an aged mason jar that's different colors, and this looks galvanized up there. I thought that was really pretty. And this one says "Grateful Hearts Gather Here," and it's a cross with different colors of aged wood, and it's a canvas as well. I thought that was really cute, and I thought that it looked really cute. Those are backwards. I thought it looked really cute with my two crosses. The colors went really well with that. And then this is the last picture, I think, that I got, and it's kind of a plastic, and it's hollow on the inside, and it says "Be still and know that I'm God," Psalms 46:10. And then this part is raised right here. It's like a wooden raised succulent there. So I thought those were really pretty. And then I got these, and these are signs, but I'm going to be doing something different with them. I'm going to be doing a DIY with them. I got these two just because they were the ones that were in white, and I wanted them to be white. And this one I got because it has this buffalo black and white check on the back, and I really liked that, and I liked that it was black. So I'm going to be putting different things in them. So stay tuned for that. And then this, I don't know if they've had it at Dollar Tree. I tried to ask the lady, and she didn't understand what I was even asking. But I had to get some of every kind, because it seems like every time I go to wrap presents, especially for my kids, it's too big, it doesn't fit in anything. Or it's strange sizes, or who knows what. And I never have a bag big enough. And so I saw these at the Dollar Tree, and I thought they were super cute. They're 36 inch by 44 inch, and it's one bag in a sack, and it comes with a bag and a tag and a ribbon to like tie it up. And you can see right here that it's a very large bag. And I really like this one because it says "Happy Birthday." So there's that one. And then this one is just plain. It doesn't say birthday or anything, so you could use it really for any holiday, and it's just really pretty. And so you could use it for kids or an adult. And then this one's just got, it looks like different colored tissue paper on it. I thought that one was really cute. And then this one's got triangles. So I thought for $1, these would be great to have on hand. And then you can see on this one with the tag, looks like it matches the bag. And then there's like a little tie in there that ties it up, ties it up at the top closed. So I thought that was really cute. So I got 4 of those. Then I got some wreath forms. I got one of these willow, they both say willow wreaths, but this one is kind of more like a grapevine. It's like a darker brown. And then this one is like a lighter color. So I got one of those, and I'm going to be doing some spring wreaths with those. And then I found this infinity scarf with this really pretty spring pattern on it. I thought it was really pretty, and I'll probably be using it for a DIY, but I'm not sure yet. I might wear it. Then I found this tablecloth, and I'm going to be definitely using this for a DIY. I thought that was really cute. It matches the plates and stuff that Dollar Tree is now carrying. And then I needed some more foam brushes because I used all the rest of them that I had on hand, so I got some more of those. And then I got this little birdhouse, and I'm going to be doing, let me move the tag. I'm going to be doing a DIY with this. It's got like a little hummingbird on it. I thought it was really cute. And then I also picked up this one that says welcome, and it's got like a turquoise flower on it, and it says welcome right there. I'm going to be using that for a DIY. And then I got several bags of this Spanish moss because, you know, I'm always using that. And then I got several of these. I thought these were really cute. They're little chalkboard wood stakes. And then, let's see, 4-piece. So I got several packages of these because I'm going to be using those for an upcoming DIY. Then I got a couple of these because I'm going to be putting them together and making cute little birdhouse DIY. So I got some of these, several of these, and they're in the toy section. And then I got some of this white decorative accent stone because I'm going to be using that for decor. And then I came to a Dollar Tree that had a bunch of these, so I ended up getting like 10 of these because, you know, I'm always using burlap for my DIYs, so I got more. And then I also got some more of this nautical rope because I'll be using that in some upcoming DIYs. And then I also got some of this Excelsior because this is great. It looks like a bird's nest, so I needed some of that for an upcoming DIY. And then I've got some flowers. I picked up these gladiolas. I picked up them in blue, 2 blues, and then I picked up a white, and then I picked up a yellow, and then I also picked up some daisies, some yellow daisies, and then some pink hydrangeas. And those are going to be for some upcoming DIYs as well. And then I got some of these napkins. They're really cute, and I'm going to be using these in a DIY. I'm going to be putting Mod Podge on a project, so stay tuned for that. And then I also got several of these burlap ribbon. They had the pink and the blue, and they really matched the DIY that I'm going to be doing, so I got some of those. And then I got several of these, and these are really cute. They're little glass jars, and they have a screw-on lid. And you can set them up like this, or it's got a slanted side, and you can set it up like that. I thought that was really cute. And the little coffee bar that I'm going to be putting together, I'm going to be using this to put like coffee and creamer and sugar and all the different things, stir sticks and stuff like that in them. So I got several of those. And then I was in the tool section and I saw these, and it seems like every time I'm trying to open anything that has a battery in it, it's these little bitty tiny screws, and I can't ever find a screwdriver in our house that's small enough that would get the screws open. So I saw this and I thought it says a precision screwdriver set. So I wanted to have that in my craft section so that I can open all the little battery packs that come on stuff. And I also got these stickers. This was really neat. This is by Jot. This is 370 stickers, and it's just red letters on both sides, and there's lots of each letter, which is handy because a lot of times they only have one A and one E, and my poor children have multiples of those in their names. And then I also got these stickers by Jot. There's 61 count, and I thought they were really cute. And they look really similar to, they're plaid, and they look similar to buffalo check. And I thought these would be really great to hang on to and use for Christmas DIYs because they'll match all my buffalo check stuff that I have at Christmas. So I went ahead and got those because they won't have them if you wait. And then I also got these stickers. I thought these would be handy when 4th of July rolls around and you're doing different DIYs. And I thought that was really cute. And it comes with all these stickers, 87 stickers. And then my junk drawer in my kitchen is just a mess. It's just a mess, a mess, a mess. And then I ask my children to get me something out of it, and then it gets an even bigger mess. So I got some containers because I want to organize my junk drawer. So these come in packs of 2. So I got 3 sets of those to organize with. And these come in sets of 3. So I got 2 of those so that I can organize my junk drawer in different sections of things so that I don't have such a big mess because it's driving me crazy. And then I got these, and these are so cute. They're in the basket section at Dollar Tree. And I got a green one and a blue one because they're really springy colors, but then I also can paint them if I want them a different color as well. If I want them black or if I want them to look aged or something. So I got those because I have something in mind I want to do a DIY with those. So that's basically all I got. I got multiples of lots of things, but I didn't think you needed to see how many of everything I got. So that's it for my Dollar Tree haul. I hope you enjoyed watching it. And if you're not subscribed, if you would hit the subscribe button and then the notification bell so you'd be notified every time I upload a DIY. And as you can see, I have some really great DIYs that are going to be coming next in my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.